unveiling the cosmic mysteries, 10 mind-blowing facts about our solar system. Welcome stargazers and cosmic enthusiasts to a celestial journey where we uncover the secrets of our mesmerizing solar system. Get ready to be dazzled by 10 awe-inspiring revelations. Fact 1. The Sun, center of our solar system. Behold the mighty Sun, reigning at the heart of our solar neighborhood, holding a staggering 99.86% of the solar system's mass within its fiery grasp. A stellar giant indeed. Fact 2. Water in space beyond Earth. Did you know water isn't just an earthly treasure? Worlds like Mars and Jupiter's moon, Europa, boast H2O in the form of ice, hinting at the possibility of extraterrestrial life lurking in the cosmic deeps. Fact 3. Rings of Saturn and other gas giants. Enter the realm of the gas giants, where Saturn's enchanting rings captivate our gaze. Surprisingly, all gas giants like Jupiter and Uranus flaunt their own ringed attire, painting a cosmic carnival in our skies. Fact 4. Shrinking Mercury. Mercury, our swift messenger to the sun, bears the scars of time as it gradually shrinks due to cooling processes within, a tiny world with big cosmic tales to tell. Fact 5. Venus's extended day. Take a moment to ponder Venus, spinning at a leisurely pace, where a day on this scorching planet stretches longer than a year in a cosmic waltz. Time truly dances uniquely in the solar ballet. Fact 6. Olympus Mons, Mars's massive mountain. Behold Mars' crown jewel, Olympus Mons, an immense mountain towering over the Martian landscape, a titan among planet-bound peaks, beckoning explorers to ascend to the skies on the red planet. Fact 7. The tilted Uranus. Witness the cosmic oddity of Uranus, tilting dramatically on its side as it twirls around the sun, a celestial body that appears to cartwheel through the cosmos, a true cosmic acrobat. Fact 8. Pluto's reclassification. In the cosmic drama of planetary status, Pluto faced the heart-wrenching reclassification as a dwarf planet in 2006, teaching us that even in the infinite universe, definitions can shift like cosmic sands. Fact 9. Jupiter's moons galore. Join the moonlit dance around Jupiter, the reigning king of moons, with a staggering 79 known companions, including Ganymede, a celestial marvel, the largest moon in our solar system. Fact 10. The asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter lies an asteroid highway, a bustling celestial thoroughfare known as the asteroid belt, where small and large rocky travelers journey through the cosmic expanse, a realm of wonders waiting to be explored. As we reach the end of our cosmic odyssey, let these mind-bending facts about our solar system resonate within you, igniting a spark of curiosity and wonder for the vast cosmos above. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to beam up the latest cosmic revelations. Thank you, cosmic companions, for joining us in this journey through the cosmic wonders of our solar system. Until the next cosmic rendezvous, keep your eyes to the skies and your spirits soaring among the stars. Ad Astra, to the stars we go.